Welcome to Roll for Sushi. Let's roll. Fisherman's Inventory. 19. Shrimp and Vegetable Tempura. This set comes just out of the fryer. We've got shrimp, lotus root, squash, shishito peppers, and sweet potatoes. Sushi Polymorph. 4. Uramaki. For the rolls, let's go ahead and cut these ingredients into long strips. Go ahead and put a thin layer of rice. Put the nori on top. Usually I put the rough side facing the rice. Start filling in all the ingredients. Keep the ingredients together towards the bottom of the nori. Here's the fun part. As you roll, keep everything tight and go slow. Perfect. Let's go ahead and slice into these. This should make about 8 pieces. Beautiful. Mercers. 7. Crispies. First we have tenkatsu, which are crunchy bits of deep fried flour batter. Next we have fried garlic, which should add a nice aroma. Finishing touches from the Magic Tavern. 8. Eel sauce. Sweet, sticky, and salty. It's a fantastic addition to many rolls out there. That looks beautiful. Let's give it a try. This one is a mouthful, and it's really good. I think this came out more like a Korean kimbap or like a really fat futomaki. As for flavors, this tastes exactly like a tempura danburi, which is a dish where crispy tempura prawn and veggies on a bed of plain rice is served with sweet tempura sauce. The flavors are pretty predictable, but I think price-wise, it's a really good value. 7.0 out of 10.